What's going on YouTube? It's your girl Just Naughty, and today I'll be showing you guys how I style my old braids. Now I'm gonna be using headscarves for me to style my braids. My hair is about 3 weeks old and I'm ready to take it down, but before I take it down I wanted to go ahead and show you guys how I style them as they're getting old. Now these styles can be used for anyone who has locks, braids, curls, anything. It doesn't really matter what style you have on your head. You can use these styles. They're very versatile. I'll be using these headscarves that I got from a store called Kachano. I hope I'm pronouncing it right, but it's on Amazon. I'll have the link down below. Just for this video, I think I'll be using the beige color one. So let's go ahead and get started on this video, you guys.
Tell me that you read my letters. Tell me that you heard my songs. Tell me that your life is better ever since I've been gone. I really wanna let you know I never meant to let you go. I'll find a way to let you know that I'm feeling. Got me in my feelings, and I found out I had demons trying to find a meaning of me leaving. Got me in my feelings, and I found out I had demons trying to find a meaning of me leaving. Tell me that your life is better, even though I'm living without you. 'Cause I really wanna let you know I never meant to let you go. I'll find a way to let you know that I'm feeling. I really wanna let you know I never meant to let you go. I'll find a way to let you know that I'm feeling. Got me in my feelings, and I found that I had demons trying to find a meaning of me leaving. Got me in my feelings, and I found that I had demons trying to find a meaning of me leaving. Find a way to let you know. Tell me that you read my letters. Tell me that you heard my songs. Tell me that your life is better since I've been gone. I really wanna let you know I never meant to let you go. I'll find a way to let you know that I'm feeling. Got me in my feelings, and I found out I had demons trying to find a meaning of me leaving. Got me in my feelings, and I found out I had demons trying to find a meaning of me leaving. Find a way to let you know. Tell me that you read my letters. Tell me that you heard my songs. Tell me that your life is better ever since I've been gone. I really wanna let you know I never meant to let you go. I'll find a way to let you know that I'm feeling. Got me in my feelings, and I found out I had demons trying to find a meaning of me leaving. Got me in my feelings, and I found out I had demons trying to find a meaning.
So this is the end of my video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed every bit of it. The styles that I've showed you guys with this headscarf are very easy, and you guys can do on your own. Of course, there are tons of other styles that you guys can do with these headscarves. So get creative and make up your own style for these scarves. Once again, as I mentioned before, you can purchase these headscarves on Amazon. The link will be down below. So go ahead and purchase you 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. Doesn't matter, just get you one. These are definitely worth it. I hope you guys liked this video. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up if you did. And don't forget to subscribe on your way out and hit that post notification bell so you'll be notified the next time I upload a video.